Cars and coffee back. We're going to try the ramp. Exterminator ramp with the 1/8 scale Redcat landslide monster truck. See if I can pull this off. A little RC parkour. One ramp to the next ramp off the trailer. I don't know, I might be brave enough to try a backflip. We'll see how it flies first. If I crash, don't laugh. Or if you laugh, you better subscribe. I don't even know if that ramp's wide enough. Trying to get it lined up, man. Not quite. Try again. Let's try to give you some different content, a little bit unique. Here we go, second attempt. Landed, okay. Good job, girl. You've officially earned your stunt truck title. Chassis is a little scraped up. It's holding up though. Why stop now, right? Let's try it again, guys. At least got my first 2 attempts on cam. Said I will go faster, but this truck is basically as wide as the ramp. A little last minute ramp I threw together from spare wood. Attempt number 3, I mean. Good land. Hope I got it on cam. It didn't bounce too much. Another thing I'm trying to check out is these shocks, man. These rear shocks. I've been playing with them. I'm not into playing with shock oil. I don't like playing with shock weight oil. I'd rather stretch some springs out or just change the springs out altogether, or go with a double spring setup. The rebound is a lot better than it was. Still chassis slapping a little bit, so I gotta stiffen it some more. The front's fine. It'll be a little better. I had it set up for speed runs instead of bashing really well, kind of like a dual setup. So I can do speed runs and ramp bash. It's hard to do, but I'm getting better at it. Just takes a lot of testing and tuning. Alright. Let's try again, guys. Landed 2 successfully. See if we get a little more distance. Got it lined up. Here we go. Redcat landslide XTE. Trailer ramp of death. The rear wheel caught. That's why this ramp not wide enough. Nothing broke, Redcat tough. Wheelie bars jacked up. And I can hear one of my heat sinks came off. I can hear it jingling around in there. So let's deal with that real quick. See? I don't need it on there really. Got the Traxxas 3-cell in it. That's not. Alright. Chassis brace is holding up. I need a rear one, but that engine, you see how that engine, you really can't put one there. Plus that rear drive shaft, I gotta figure something out. Gotta get that takeoff just clean, man, or you see those back wheels are gonna clip top of that trailer. I would put skateboard ramps on there. They're twice as wide, man, but those things are heavy. I don't feel like lugging them over here. So this is gonna have to do for now, guys. Like I said, it's just a quick ramp I threw together. Make sure you tune in for I'm jumping over fire pit too. Got that planned in the works. Alright, see if we get it clean. Hopefully this is in focus. I got the head cam on, so I'm trying. Horrible takeoff. Tried to nosedive on me.